Quan Yin. I speak to all of you now. The stars are very powerful at this time, and those on the earth seeming to ignore them more and more as they are covered over with smoke, and the lights of the earth become brighter. The electric lights seem brighter than the lights of the stars, but this is not true. The lights of the stars shine true. Find them. Go out into the dark night when you are visiting on the earth, when you are at your sacred place, when you are at your garden, when you are in Woodstock. Go out under the stars and hold the palms up above the head and catch the stars in the chakras of your hands and lay those hands on the parts of the body that is healing. The blood, my dear sister, is clearing out and toxins are releasing. Be patient with yourself and your toxic release. Understand that the release of toxins from the body, the release of these bugs from the body, so to speak, are you letting go of things from the past for yourself and for others. I am Quan Yin. You will find yourself sensitive to the presence of many others, for the toxic energy in them seems to pull it up through you. You are understanding that you need to be alone on the earth with the powerful energies of the earth. Trees are extremely powerful for you in this time. To walk out and to lay your tailbone against the trunk of a tree and wrap your arms around so that your spine is on the tree. Bring your arms behind you and clasp them, if the trunk is narrow enough, clasp them behind the tree trunk and breathe that way. I guarantee you will feel a new energy moving through your body. I am Quan Yin. I speak to you. I am Quan Yin. I speak to you. I draw the breath in your body when you breathe. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin, drawing the breath in, deeply, deeply drawing the breath in. And drawing the breath in, feel the root chakra opening. The roots of the Mother Earth are strong and deep. The compassionate waters help you make your roots go deeper and deeper into the new healed earth. Wiggle your tailbone and imagine those roots going down to the center of the earth. It will not tie you to the earth body in bondage. It will not tie you to the earth body in pain. It will allow you to float higher in the earth body. Truly, indeed, these bodies can become lighter. These bodies and the vibration within them as the frequency moves up becomes lighter and changes the material form world around you. Many of you have noticed that. You can go into a chaotic situation holding your vibration of peace and harmony, and thus you will change the chaotic situation. You are the changers. You are changing. I am Quan Yin. Draw the breath in. I am Quan Yin.